Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja and we are back with another hair tutorial. In today's video, I will be installing another glueless unit from LUVME Hair. This is their packaging. So the wig we're installing today is their 8-inch water wavy C-part undetectable lace unit. And this one comes with the 2 combs in the side, 1 in the back, and the adjustable band. The unit is already fully customized. It's a ready-to-wear unit straight out the box. This is it. So I'm just going to go ahead and move right along to the install. I will be cutting the lace off before I put my wig on. But this is what the unit actually looks like straight out the box. Pre-plucked in that nice C-part, deep part. This is it. So without further ado, let's move along to the install. I'm going to go ahead and make some baby hair using my Shine and Gem just to act as edges for our unit. Alright guys, so I cut the lace off and then applied some foundation. So let's put her wig on and see what she actually looks like. So I feel like I actually need to cut a little bit more off the front, but it is looking super pretty. I love it. This is straight out the box, guys. Like, the only thing I did was to cut the lace off and apply a little bit of foundation, but this is straight out the box and she is looking fly. I love it. This is it. I like the curls that are on this unit. Super, super pretty. Not too tight and they're not too loose. They're just perfect. This is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this little piece of lace right here. And yeah, I like this better. So because this unit is a ready-to-wear glueless unit, there's not much that's needed to be done to it. I just need to actually curl the unit. I feel like I'm just going to apply a little bit of moisturizer or conditioner to it. And then that'll be it. Let me see. So what I'm about to do now is to apply some water and conditioner to the hair because it is a water wavy unit, and restore the curls, and pretty much that'll be it. Let me show you guys the back, how it's looking like straight out the box before I even do anything to it. Go ahead and restore the curls, and pretty much that'll be it. I'll be back with my final thoughts and the final look. See you soon. So this is the final look. It is super soft. I love the curls, they're super defined. It is 100% glueless. It is given natural. This is it. No baby hair, no problem. It is not lifting, and I love how this turned out. Super pretty. Looks like it's growing straight out of my scalp. Like, it is giving a really cute vibes right now. The hair itself is just super soft, super bouncy. This is it. I love it. This is 100% beginner friendly. The only thing I did was to cut the lace off and restore my curls, and this is the final look. I love how pretty this is. It's 100% glueless, ready to wear wig, and it gives us a flawless look at the hairline. As you can see, it's growing from my scalp. Okay, it is giving a really natural, cute vibes, and I love what's going on right now. The curls are super pretty, super bouncy. I love the softness of this hair. Like, it is a 10 for me. I will be linking the unit down below if you guys want to go ahead and purchase, and click that link and make your purchase. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.